Hey everyone, Jose Ricardo Tejaen, War Room, and directly from India we have Mahesh. How's it going, Mahesh? All right, so we were looking at, as I said in the previous video that we posted on MarketSearch Daily YouTube channel, we need to study, and we both were studying the application of the Hawkeye Traders tool, Fatman, currency strength, Roadkill, buy-sell signal, volume, heat map, and trend plus stops. And we came across the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, USDCHF, M30, that's time frame 30 minutes. And look what we found. We have this sell signal. It happened. This is the bar where it happened. So you have 97.43 all the way to 97.60. That's the range. Market went up a little bit to 97.71. And the market closed on Friday at 97.61. Now, what we're thinking is that the Swiss franc serves as a leading indicator to buy the euro. Now, we have a rejection. We have this high, 97.90. Then we have this new high, lower highs. It translates into potentially a bearish trend. So we want to take advantage. How we're going in? We're following the tactic. The strategy is going short the dollar versus the Swiss franc, and thanks to Roadkill, we get the signal. We have heat map indicating that momentum it's starting favoring short positions. Volume's a little bit thin, I have to admit. And then when I look at Fatman, the currency strength, we have the Swiss franc. It's already up, a little bit of strength, but here's what we have to think about this, Mahesh. Look at this. It's when the slope, the crossing down, the dollar is moving down, and then the price still move up. And so if I were to judge this, well, probably have to do with a pencil. This will be a bearish divergence. What do you think? Look at what price is doing. Price keeps trading a little bit up all the way to this 90 level. So that would be a great sell. We didn't, of course. We were not paying attention. And then look at what it does. Price keeps the slope goes down, and then price finally reacts. So this is what I would say is a traditional setup for a bearish divergence. Yes, and we take a look at this. And these are clues, evidence. We have sellers in control, thanks to volume, Hawkeye volume pack. And if I take this trade, we'll have a simulation on the description of this video just to follow up. And what we want to do is just play with the veracity of how the Hawkeye Traders tools may improve your entries, and the bottom line, make you a more profitable trader and investor. In different asset classes. We're looking at a 40 pip stop loss, and then I'm looking at this level at least plus 100 pips. So that will take us a risk versus reward at least 2 to 1, which is perfect for beginners. If you're starting in the trading business, in the investing business, always look at least with 2 to 1 trade opportunities. And I said this before, if you buy an egg at 10 cents, don't sell it at 10 cents. You can't cover taxes, you can't cover your expenses. You need to sell it at a higher price. At least 30 cents. So you get back your money and you make 20 cents profit. That's where you pay for your overhead, you pay for everything you have to pay. It's very important. So that's something to consider. Let me see if I can zoom out this screen. Really know how to do that last time, but let me just eliminate the pencil, see if we can remove that. There you go. Everything goes back to normal. So that will be our trade of the week following Hawkeye Traders. Mahesh, we talk about also we going long pound dollar with, let me just write it down a few so we have the notes. We're gonna go short USD at opening. Of course, we get a good spread, 40 pips stop loss, and then long trades, GBP USD, one lot with a simulation, $5,000. Okay, and we're expecting that the pound will not drop more than 500 pips. We're also going long GBP NCD with half a lot due to the volatility of the currency cross, and GBP Swiss franc also 0.5 going long. So we'll expect to have for the audience of Market Traders Daily at least 4 simulations, so they can track the ideas based on the different analysis and studies that we conducted during the weekend. Mahesh, do you have anything to add? Absolutely. So yeah, thank you guys. Like I said, I will definitely come back. There's a company, there's a equity. I was talking to one of my friends in Spain. Well, from Spain, David, he and his wife, they do a lot of equities. So they talked to me about this particular stock. It's a very defensive stock, and I will talk to you guys back in the next 2 hours about that company. We'll take a look at volume profile and exactly how you can set up your buy orders to go into that. Thank you, Mahesh, and thank you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.